Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Cloud9 and creating an environment now. Sign in with your AWS credentials and pick a clear name. Choose the instance type that matches your needs and set the environment timeout so it won't shut down unexpectedly. Once done, decide whether to use a hosted EC2 or connect via SSH to an existing server. Make sure to attach the right IAM permissions so you can install packages and access repos without errors. Next, configure your workspace so you can work efficiently. Open the file tree and split panes, then show the integrated terminal for commands. Install the runtimes you need: npm for Node, pip for Python, or useapt for system packages. This ensures your code runs locally. Then clone your repository, set the Git user, email, and user name, and create a feature branch. Once you have this structure in place, you can run tests and iterate without risking the main branch. Finally, run and validate your project. Execute the startup command and use Cloud9 Preview or forwarded port to view the app in a browser. If something fails, add breakpoints or console logs and use the integrated debugger to step through code. Make sure to check terminal output for missing deps. Once satisfied, commit and push your branch and snapshot or stop the environment to save costs. If the IDE hangs, refresh the browser and reopen the environment. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.